Hi children, welcome to MRK Gantam and Co. Today in this video, we are going to discuss types of sets by cardinal number. We know what is a cardinal number. The number of elements in a set is called cardinal number of that set. It is denoted by n of a. For suppose my set A is set of 2, 3, 5, 7. So here total elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 elements. This is the cardinal number of set A. It is denoted by n of a equal to 4. By this cardinal number, we can decide what is the type of a set. That are two types. One is finite set, second one is infinite set. You see, what is a finite set? A finite set is a set if it is possible to count number of elements in a set. దాంట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ మొత్తం కౌంట్ చేయగలిగితే దట్ ఈస్ ఫైనైట్ సెట్, పరిమిత సమితి. For suppose my set is A equal to set of x such that x is an even number below 10 or less than 10. Here I get my set A equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8. So I can count them. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also n of a equal to 4. So my set is finite because it is able to count number of elements in it. So here cardinal number is 4. Next, a set is called infinite. Another type of set by cardinal number is infinite. In that word tells us that a set which is not finite is infinite set simply. What is infinite? It is not possible to count number of elements in set. That is n of a. We can't count a number because it is infinity. We can't count them. There are unlimited or uncountable elements are there in set. For example, my set is, again I take B set of x as that x is an even number. Here I mention an even number. There is no condition is given. So my set contains 2, 4, 6, B equal set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, so on. So we can't count up to which is the largest even number. So we can't count them. So it is infinite set. By the cardinal number, when we count the number of elements in it, it is a finite set. If it is not possible to count all the elements, it is infinite set. So finite set in Telugu paramita samiti, infinite set in Telugu aparamita samiti. In finite set, we can come across two types of sets. So they are special sets. For suppose my set is x such that x is an odd number which is divisible by 2. Can we collect them? Can we collect that elements? All odd numbers are which are not divisible by 2. So here I mentioned that odd numbers which are divisible by 2. So we can't collect them. That means I get set empty. So I don't get any element, any even one element in my set. So my set is empty. It is called empty set or null set or void set. It is denoted by pi. And another set in finite set is singleton set. The word singleton means the number of elements in a set is only one. A set which contained one and only one element is called singleton set. ఏకమూలక సమితి. ఒకే ఒక మూలకం ఉంటే a set should contain one and only one element. For suppose my set C is x that x is an even prime number. Even prime number. That means I get only 2 as my element in my set. So C equal to set of only single 2. Here n of C equal to 1. So it is a singleton set. ఇది ఒక ఏకమూలక సమితి. By the comparison of sets, we can say some types of sets. By the comparison of two sets. For suppose I take my set D is set of x such that x is an even number below 20. So I get my set D equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. And I take another set C. Sorry, another set E is X such that X is multiple of 6 less than 20. So here I get, already multiple of 6 are less than 20 are 6, 12, 18. Here you observe set E is 6, 12, 18. Set D is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Here you observe all elements in E are in D. All elements. That means 6 is in D and 12 is in D and 18 is in D. So I can say all elements in D is in all elements in E in D. So in this type of way we can say that E is subset of D. That means E is placed in D. So it is written as E is subset D. So I take the D is B set and I take E set is A. So here A is an element of A, that implies A is also element of B. Then we called A subset B. A లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి మూలకం కూడా B లో ఉంటే every element in A is in B. We can say A is subset of B. Vice versa, B is superset of A. అంటే ఇక్కడ B అనేది that means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 ఒక బిగ్ సెట్. ఇక్కడ 6, 12, 18 it is small set. So A is in B, B has A in it. So B is superset of A is subset of B by comparison. And here I take another set, that is my set A is set of 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And another set B is 3, 2, 1. So all elements in A in B, all elements in B in A. We can say it in, for suppose A is in set builder form is, I take set builder form of A is X such that X is a natural number less than 4. And I take B set in set builder form X such that X is a factor of 6 less than 4. A factor of 6 less than 4. So again I get 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3 in my set. So these are two different sets in set builder form. But come to in list form, all elements in A we see in B, all elements in B in A. So here A subset B and B subset A. In this type we call them A equal to B. That means they are equal sets. So here we discuss equal sets, subset and superset. Coming to another type of set, disjoint sets. That means in that term we can say that the two sets are not having common elements. For suppose my set A, suppose my set A is set of even numbers less than 10. So that equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. And set of B is set of odd numbers less than 10. So I get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here you compare both two sets. We may not find common elements. So they are even numbers. These are odd numbers. So there are no any similarity elements, no equal elements, no same elements. So here we can say that A and B are disjoint sets. So they don't have common elements. A and B said to be disjoint set such that if they haven't any common element, so that are called disjoint sets. Disjoint sets in Telugu called Viyukta Samitilu. Disjoint sets మన తెలుగులో వియుక్త సమితులు అంటాం. Come to another type of sets, by comparison they are overlapping sets. set A and set B are said to be overlapping sets if they have common elements in both. That means some elements in A, in B, or some elements in B are in A. Then they are called overlapping sets. But suppose my set A is X such that X is an odd number less than 10. So I get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And another set B is X such that X is a prime number less than 10. So I get my set is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. Set closed. So here you compare set A to set B. You see that 3, 5, 7 are common elements in both A and B. So they are said to be A and B are called overlapping sets. That means some elements in A are in B. So we can say common elements are 3, 5, 7. So when we find common elements that are called overlapping sets. సంయుక్త సమితులు తెలుగులో అంటాం. Now by comparing number of sets to one set, then we may see another type of set. For suppose my set A is one set of 1, 2, 3. These are the roll numbers of particular class. So now I can prepare some more groups from that. For suppose in 1, 2, 3 members, I wanted to say who has more interest in maths. Then one raise his hand. So that is set of 1. For science, 2 raise his hand. So that is another set of 2. For social, the roll number 3 person has raised his hand. So set of 3. And again I ask who are interested in playing cricket. Then set of 1, 2. And another thing I asked, then set of 2, 3, set of 1, 3, set of 1, 2, 3. I want to say them who likes movies. 1 to 3 raise their hand. So I get in this case set of 1, 2, 3. Then I want to know who watch serials regularly. No one raised his hand. So serial చూసేవారు అసలు లేరు. So from the set A, set of 1, 2, 3, I can prepare here 8 types of sets. So these 8 sets are came from the set A. So I prepare these 8 sets from set A. Set A has only 3 elements, but I get 8 types of sets, 8 types of groups. They are different components. Some are interested in math, some are interested in science, some are interested in social, some are playing cricket, some are watching movies, some do not watch serials. So ఇటువంటి టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్స్ నేను ఒక సింగిల్ గ్రూప్ ని తయారు చేశాను. సో హియర్ ఐ గెట్ సో మెనీ గ్రూప్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ సింగిల్ సెట్. సో దీస్ ఆల్ సెట్స్ ఆర్ సబ్సెట్ టు దట్ సెట్. సో దట్ పర్టికులర్ సెట్ ఈస్ superset of these all sets. So that superset is known as universal set. It is denoted by U or mu. It is usually represented by rectangle. Shape. Universal set is we use it to represent rectangle. We denote universal set by U or mu symbol. So in this video we discuss types of sets by cardinal number. One is finite, second one is infinite. Infinite, we see empty set and singleton set. By coming to comparison of sets, first we discussed subsets and superset, subset and superset. Next we know equal sets. After that we know the universal set. From a particular universal set, we can write a number of subsets according to its cardinal number. That relation is, if one set has only one element, we can write 2 for 1, 2 subsets. If it has 3 elements, we can write 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 subsets. if it has no elements, that means empty set, we can write itself as subset. So empty set is subset to all sets, and a set itself is subset to itself. A set itself is subset to it. సో ఈ విధంగా మనం సబ్సెట్స్ మనం రాయగలం. దీనికి ఉపయోగించేటువంటి ఫార్ములా 2 power n. 0 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అయితే ఓన్లీ దట్ ఎంప్టీ సెట్ ఈజ్ సబ్సెట్. 1 ఎలిమెంట్ అయితే దానికి 2 సబ్సెట్స్. 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అయితే 2 స్క్వేర్ 4 సబ్సెట్స్. 3 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అయితే 2 క్యూబ్ 8 సబ్సెట్స్. సో ఈ విధంగా టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్ ఈ వీడియోలో నేర్చుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ దీనిపైన ఎక్సర్సైజ్ మనం చేద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you very much. Please subscribe and watch them again and again. Like it. Thank you.